Another day where they're calling for some big storms coming through. We're actually on a tornado threat of a 3. This is the highest it's been in years. But it is 66. We got lightning, thunder. We're going to be under a watch, I think, about all day. But we're still going to get some work done, so we're going to be in the shop most of the day. See what we can get done. Fields of water. I'd say she's raining pretty good out. There we go. Well, we're just gonna stay nice and dry in the shop. Gonna check the axle and hubs on this. Give this thing a nice little oil change, and this rig will be completely ready to go. Just could use maybe a little. It's raining so hard. It's just falling right out. Oh, there's some lining. We got some flooding coming here. Hopefully this drain can take it. We have had problems in the past with big flooding, so we're gonna hope for the best, and it's gonna be an all-day thing. We're on a tornado watch basically for the rest of the day. I parked too far away. We're gonna let this wave just kind of go through. Well, that happened quick. First wave's done, but some more severe weather's coming. Hopefully we don't flood in the office, but yeah, this is today's got way more interesting. So now just sitting in some of these orchards, I mean, there's just water flowing through here like a little river. So you actually see some of this green starting to pop out of these buds. So now that we're showing some of that green tissue, we need to start spraying. So this is gonna make tomorrow a really interesting day. This is just a lot of water. So we're just gonna hope that this dries out just a little bit more. Storm's kind of passed now, so we're gonna get some more shop work done. No, nothing got damaged anywhere. Everything looks fine. I think we dried off in time, so we may not even have to spray. So now we are going to change some filters. So getting the last sprayer nozzles cleaned out. So each one of these has little pieces throughout it. So I'm on this one, I took this one off. And so you have this nozzle cap, this is on the outside. Inside that you have this little disc, and then you have this little inline filter. So they're real small, you clean them all in the hopes that you don't have plug ups. Normally when we first start them up, we have some plugs, and if we run some thicker products, we have a few plugs. Other than that, these things run flawlessly. I may do this one other time throughout the season, but before we really get into the thick and heavy of spraying, it can't hurt to go through, clean all these in all 4 sprayers. This is the last one. It only takes maybe a half hour to an hour per sprayer, and you help yourself with a lot of issues while you're in the field. So we're rolling some peach brush. I got this side flipped over, gonna come down this one and come back down this middle. But I'm sitting there and I see a little leak. I don't know how, but you can just twist these and look. Both of them came loose. So Dad's bringing me out a crescent wrench real quick. Gonna get these tightened back up and going again. I have no clue how those even came loose, but it's new, so I mean, things loosen up. So we'll get them tightened back up, and we only have a couple more acres to get swept this year, and this thing can go into storage. Get the chopper out here. And peaches are starting to swell up real good now. The crop on these is looking really nice. Fixed and back up and running. Brush sweeping the last orchard of the year. We just got standing water when that storm came through yesterday. A lot of areas are pretty dry, surprisingly, but this orchard, so from right here over to the cherries.